How to use Google Chat Simple Tutorial 2023. Hello guys and welcome to today's tutorial. Today, we'll walk you through the basics of Google Chat and show you how to use its features to communicate effectively with your team or colleagues. Whether you're using Google Chat for the first time or you're already familiar with its interface, we've got you covered. We'll show you how you can start a conversation, use emojis and reactions, create group chats and more, and the best part, this tutorial is up to date for 2023, so you'll be getting the latest information on how to use Google Chat effectively. So if you're ready to streamline your communication and collaboration, stick around and let's dive into this simple tutorial on how to use Google Chat for beginners. Now, the first thing you're going to do is, of course, go to Google Chat. Now, to get here, you're simply going to go to your Google, and over here, as you can see, I'm currently logged into my Google account. You're simply going to click on this 3x3 button icon over here. You're going to click this, and over here, you will be able to see all the different features available for Google. You can see your Google search over here, Gmaps, YouTube, Google Play, News, Gmail, Gmeet, and Google Chat over here. You're simply going to click on Google Chat and you would be redirected to mail.google.com over here, which is the Google Chat website. Now, I'm going to give you a quick tour on our interface right now. Over here on the left side, we have our chat section. This is where you will be able to see all the different conversations that you have. These are more on private comments with each other, like one-on-one. You also have your spaces over here, which is very great for business meetings and like different groups that is related to your business. Spaces is a very good section to have over here. Over here on the bottom most left right now, we also have Meet section, wherein this is connected with Google Meet so that you would be able to instantly create a new meeting or instantly join a meeting by clicking this. You can also see over here on the right side, we have our Google calendars over here. We can check out our calendars by clicking this. We also have Keep over here, Task, and Contacts over here. Now, if you want to change your status symbol in Gmail, you can simply click on this button over here on the top right, and you would be able to choose from automatic, which is based on activity. For example, right now we're doing things on our Google Chat. That's why it's saying green. But if we left our mouse unmoved for maybe like 5 minutes, it's going to change to yellow. And if we are not using our Gchat, it's going to change to white, as you can see here on Set as Away. If you don't want to be disturbed, you can simply click on Do Not Disturb button over here, where it will turn it to red and a white dash. You could add more status by clicking on this Add a Status over here. You could write your own, for example, on the run, just like that. You would be able to choose the icon that you would like to have by clicking this. You could choose any emoji that we have over here. For example, we're just going to go with this one over here, melting. And you could also see until when the status would remain. You could have it for this week, 24 hours, 1 hour, or 30 minutes. You could also click on custom if you would like to have longer time. For example, you would like to have that as a month duration, just like this. You're going to click on the month and just like that, click on set, and this status would only clear after this condition has been completed, which is on May 4th, 11:21 p.m. After that, you're simply going to click on done. Now, to create a chat, you're simply going to click on either find the chat over here. When you click this, you would be able to see this option or pop-up over here. You could type in the other people's email over here, like for example jazzbustria@gmail.com. You could also click on create a space, browse spaces, and messages request over here. By clicking this, you would be able to see all the different messages that are sent to you. Chats from people that you don't usually know would have their message be sent in this section, which is a message request, and you can simply look through this stuff when you are having a lot of emails so that you wouldn't miss any important things that you might need. And I'm going to show you now how you can add a chat. You're simply going to click on start the chat over here, and you're going to type in their email address. For example, we're going to go with 04 Jezreel 04 at gmail.com. Select that, and as you can see here, we have our email over here. You're simply going to click on Start Chat. And as you can see, it is like a PM or like one-on-one message wherein I am directly messaging this account over here. You could simply type in any message you want, just like that, and it will appear in this section over here. You can also edit this message if you want for hovering like this, and you could either react to this message to any of this emotion over here, emoticon, just like that. You could also click on edit over here, and you would be able to change and edit and modify the information that you would like to have on your message, and then click on update, and it will update the message that you have sent earlier. But it's going to show this status over here beside our now message over here. It's going to say edited because we have edited our text. And you could also click on the three dots over here on the right side. You could mark it as unread, forward to inbox, add to task, or delete over here. You can simply click on delete, and the entire message that we have sent would be deleted. Now, if you want to have multiple persons in a chat, you can simply click on the add button once again. Then you're going to type in the same email, Yisrael04 at gmail.com. Just like that, and then you're going to add another email. For example, maybe jasper.a.busteria at gmail.com. Just like that, and you're going to click on Start Chat, and you would be able to have a mini group in this chat section over here. Like you'd have hi over here, and everyone in this group would be able to see what you have messaged. When messaging, as you can see here, you have this options over here on the top, the right side. We could edit our formatting option. You could click on emoji over here, which would allow you to type in emojis that you would like to send to people. For example, emoji that is yum, just like that. Then you could click on send over here. You would be able to send a specific emoji to the person that you would like to send it to. You could also add GIFs over here. You could choose from all these different options that you have. You could simply search for topics that you would like also. You could do this, click on enter, and you would be able to have a GIF on your chat. You could also upload files, and you could also initiate a Gmeet for this specific group. Now, like I said earlier, spaces are more preferable for big groups of people. You can simply click on add over here, and you could simply put the same thing that we did earlier, 04 Yisrael 04 at gmail.com. Just like that. Then we're going to search for another one, Jasper. Going to search for another one. We're going to go with Jasper A.Busteria, like what we did earlier. Then click on Start Chat. And as you can see, we made a mistake and added on the chat once again. What we're supposed to do is click on create a space over here, and we would be able to enter our space name. For example, space testing name, just like that. You could add description, and then the email of the people we would like to have in our group. And you could click on create over here, and as you can see here on our space section, we have our chat section over here. Now, why did I say space is best for business? As you can see here in our chat screen, you would be able to see the chat, which is where we are right now. You could see your files also, which makes it easier for people submitting through Google Chat. You could also check out the different tasks in this section over here. Under chat, you could also add people over here, share a file, and assign task over here. And that's basically it, guys. It's not very complicated to use Google Chat, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.